What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about London's attractions, but not any attractions. I'm going to talk about the attractions that you should visit at least once in your life. So if you are planning to come to England this year or after quarantine, then trust me, this video is for you. So let's start talking and get into the video because there's plenty to talk about. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do enjoy it, do not forget to smash that like button for me and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that's why I'm doing these videos for you guys. So yeah, let's go. Whether you are embarking on a whistle-stop tour of the capital or 2 weeks trip, make sure you find time for these 8 unmissable attractions that offer a snapshot of London's unique heritage, culture, and incredible cityscape. We start with number 8, the Shard. Top off a trip to the capital with a visit to Renzo Piano's Memento's skyscraper. Being the tallest building in the city at a staggering 300.6 meter, 1016 feet, means this glittering giant also boasts the best views. Head up to the 72nd floor and you will be able to see for 40 miles in every direction. Follow your eye along the sneaking River Thames and you can even catch a glimpse of the rolling hills beyond the city. The Shard was opened to public on 1st February 2013. The Shard has already dominated London cityscape, quickly became one of the capital's most recognized and beloved icons. Number 7, Buckingham Palace. Dating to the 17th century, Buckingham Palace has become one of London's most recognizable buildings, and yet visitors rarely step inside. Take the opportunity to go beyond the Golden Gate during just 10 weeks of the year and explore the palatial gargoyle of the royal stateroom, where monarchs have entertained guests for centuries. Head up to the sweeping grand staircase designed by John Nash and discover painting by some of the world's greatest artists in the picture gallery. Look out for the extraordinary gilded grand piano in the dramatic throne room. You will come across the same chair used by the Queen and the Duke of Edinburgh for the 1953 coronation, while in the epic ballroom you will get taste of what a royal banquet would look like. Number 6, Warner Brothers Studio. Harry Potter fans are invited to leave the land of the Muggles and be transported behind the scene to explore the spellblinding film sets, props, and enhancing costume on the Warner Bros. Studio tour. Walk in the footsteps of Harry, Hermione, and Ron down the cobblestoned Diagon's Alley, tour the impressive Great Wall, and hang out in the Gryffindor Common Room. It's also the chance to discover the wizardry behind the special effects and animatronics. You can even have a go at riding a broomstick. Last but not least, head to the legendary platform 9¾ and hop on the board a recreation of a Hogwarts Express train before departing back to London. The studio are just over half an hour away from Euston Station with a 20-minute train journey and 15-minute shuttle bus. British Museum. The British Museum is home to over 2 million years worth of history and offer a glimpse into the complex but fascinating timeline of humanity. Take part in hunt through the museum for an immersive experience that as educational as it is entertaining. Answer questions that are hidden within facts and unrevealed secrets all about the treasures on display here, from Egyptian mummies to Anglo-Saxon artifacts dating back over 15 years. In number 4, Tower of London. While it's now the ceremonial home of the crown jewels, this 1,000 years old building has had many incarnations in its timeline, from a zoo containing exotic creatures in the 13th century to a tower of torture imprisoning the like of Anna Boleyn, Guy Fawkes and Sir Walter Raleigh. The Midvale Tower of London is a must visit for some in-depth insight into British history. Today, some of its traditions are still going strong, including the ceremony of the key, an elaborate ritual of locking up the tower at night, be guided by one of the Yemen warders or legendary beefeaters on your visit, who will show you around the many attractions, including the Queen's dazzling collection of jewels, the extensive royal armories, and the iconic White Tower, the oldest part of this building. Number 3, the treasure hunt at V&A Museum. A trip to the V&A Museum is an absolute must for any art and design fanatic visiting the city. Get up to close to 3,000 years of creativity and 60,000 fascinating objects from across the centuries. The V&A is also home to an abundance of travel-related treasures, such as Silk Road camel figurines dating back to the 3rd century. This treasure hunt introduces you to a treasure you might have otherwise missed, and you will get to learn fun facts along the way. Number 2, Churchill War Room. Just over the river, you can explore the depth of the underground bunker where Sir Winston Churchill and his cabinet secretly plotted the war against Nazi Germany. Navigate a labyrinth of rooms and corridors below the streets of Westminster to discover what life was like for the staff who spent thousands of hours working alongside Churchill in the hidden nerve city of the centre. A highlight of the Churchill Room was the map room, which has remained exactly as it was since the lights were switched off in 1945. Number 1, London Eye. Soar 135 meters 443 feet above the River Thames and come face to face with the majestic House of Parliament and Big Ben. In one of the world's tallest ferry wheels, it's no surprise the London Eye is the city's most popular paid tourist attraction, offering an incredible bird's eye view of the capital's finesse architecture. From Ranzo Piano Sharp to Sir Christopher Warren St. Paul Cathedral, the elegant structure was first opened to celebrate the turn of the millennium, and with each pod contained just 25 people, it's a leisurely way to familiarize yourself with the city without having to jostle for the best position. Head here when the sun sets for dreamy views of the capital's skyline. Alright guys, we've got to the end of this video and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did enjoy the video, do not forget to smash that like button for me, and please subscribe to my channel so I can make more videos, and I will see you guys in 2 more days. Bye bye.